What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review on these DND Dip Powders, and before we get started I wanted to give a huge shout out to DND for sending these over. You guys are awesome and I can't wait to use these powders again. Now getting into the video, we're just going to be going in with our base, and the color we're using is 053. I really love this color. It's a rich, dark gunmetal gray. It's so gorgeous. I loved seeing it matte. I figured I might as well do matte. I'm always doing shiny, so it was a really fun way to spice up this one color Manny. I will say, when I opened up the jar, I didn't know what to expect with these powders because they did look a little grainy, but I ended up swatching 5 other colors that they had sent me and they were all like that, but none of them had any issues or anything, so I think it must just be the way that the powders are made, but it won't affect your nails any, so don't worry about that. These powders overall were super pigmented, super easy to use. I really liked them. I didn't experience any staining or anything, which can sometimes occur with these darker shades, so that was a nice plus to this powder as well. I'm going to stop babbling and let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to get into our Sparkle & Co Solidify, and we're going to put on a good amount of this and let it sit for 2 minutes, and then we will be ready to file. I'm taking my 180 grit Beauty Secrets files, and I get these files from Sally's Beauty Supply if you guys are wondering. These are my favorite files. I actually really liked these curved ones. I think they're a little bit easier to get around that cuticle area, so I definitely recommend these. is what our nails are looking like now, and we are going to be taking the rough side of this file and roughing our nails up. Since we are using gel polish, we're going to need a rough base instead of a smooth base, because if you have a smooth base for this polish, it will peel, so I do recommend roughing up the nails prior to putting on gel top coat. We're going to be curing these for 2 minutes just to make sure they're completely dry, and then getting into our cuticle oil, and I'll show you guys the finished look in just a second. The color we're using again is 053 from DND, and that concludes today's video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!